The difficulty in a sentence is with military history itself. Military history is many things. It is, and for many writers past and present, is not very much more than the study of generals and generalship, an approach to the subject which can sometimes yield remarkable results. The American historian Jack Weller's 3 modern studies of Wellington in India, the Peninsula, and at Waterloo, for example, convey a powerful sense of character and are informed by a deep and humane understanding of the nature of early 19th century warfare at every level from the generals to the private soldiers, but which, by its choice of focus, automatically distorts perspective and too often dissolves into sycophancy or hero worship, culminating in the odd case in a bizarre sort of identification by the author with his subject, an outcome common and understandable enough in literary or artistic biography, but tasteless and even mildly alarming when the ego is a man of blood and iron, his alter someone of scholarly meekness and suburban physique.